Bye-bye. This is what's going on. It's our morning. Taking a tour.
Tour A. Taking tour A.
Yes. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we're on a boat tour today.
We're on a group tour.
Yeah, group tour. And then they took us to the first stop, which is called
Seven Commandos Beach.
Seven Commandos Beach. Pretty heavily a tourist spot, but this water is just gorgeous. And I don't know if it feels great or does we're just super hot on that boat. It feels amazing.
The water feels refreshing and just so inviting because it's so blue and clear and gorgeous.
Yeah. We'll show it to you.
Shoot ahead.
So we're gonna probably take some a kayak out here in a few days by ourselves. And
It's pretty far from shore.
it's pretty far. Sheena be trying to get me to be all adventurous and stuff.
But it worked yesterday.
It was like a 20-minute boat ride with a motor.
Yeah.
So
We'll see what that feels like with a kayak.
Yeah.
It's just looks so incredible.
yeah, it's amazing. All right, yeah. We're about to go in here and go snorkeling. Let's go. I saw it. I was like, that's a good drop. All right.
So nice.
See you on the water, guys. Beer tastes so much better when you're by the water. What are you about to see? When you're on the sea. Chelsea. Beer of the sea. Yeah. So the first tour was first stop was good. You saw we did some snorkeling. I didn't throw a drone up because there's a lot of people out there. So maybe the next stop. How you doing?
I feel amazing. This feels awesome.
Show the view. Show the view. That's what we're looking at right now. It's pretty amazing.
I'm pretty grateful right now.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like every moment of this past year I've been so grateful for, even before the year started. My goodness.
Yeah, that's been amazing.
My life is so good and I'm so incredibly grateful.
Super blessed. Oh yeah. Me too. I feel the same way. Very grateful. Amen.
So, this is Big Lagoon, right?
It's what?
Big Lagoon.
Yes, the Big Lagoon.
So we're on our way for the entrance, and I'm gonna help my husband now to paddle our kayak. But
So cool.
this is gorgeous. There's the entrance to the Big Lagoon. Little island there. Husband kayaking.
Steering the ship, baby.
Steering the ship.
Let's go.
And this magnificence is out of this world. I'm just gonna wow. 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 We are so blown away right now.
Yeah, seriously.
We don't even know what to do with ourselves. We're like, wow. It's just quiet and beautiful. It's amazing.
right, Tina's turn.
I don't know. I've never done it before.
All right. Bye bye. Got it. You floating? I'm floating. Well, I'm not floating. The life vest is floating me. I'm just chilling. It's here.
Hi, baby.
She's floating.
I'm floating. The water's nice and brisk
Yeah.
and so clear.
Yeah, super clear.
And deep.
Super deep too. So we're swimming to a secret lagoon. See that hole right over there. We did it. Off the secret lagoon. That shit is real, but it's fun though. We're gonna go to this island first before we go back to the boat. We gotta swim to the boat. Should be fun.